Watch our video to learn how to make chocolate chip bars.
Watch my video. I'll make
chocolate chip bars.
chocolate balls. Yeah.
Yeah. Healthy cookies.
That mommy turned into
chocolate chip.
Big cake.
Big
basically.
cake. 2 cups of oats.
So banana.
1 cup of what?
We don't use eggs, so we use applesauce. So 1 cup of applesauce replaces the 4 eggs that you need for this. So we used 1 cup of applesauce.
1 whole cup of milk.
And then 1 teaspoon of...
1 teaspoon of what?
Baking soda.
A baking soda. And
chocolate chips.
And what?
Stevia.
And stevia.
We used how many packets of stevia? 1 packet of stevia.
1 pack of stevia.
Yep.
And the chocolate chips you want to wait until the very end.
Right now, what are we doing?
We're chopping up the oats.
Chopping up all the ingredients mixed together. It's quite messy, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Is it messy?
Oh, man.
Say hi.
Hi.
Will you stand up? So everybody can see you? Okay, now push that button right there.
No.
Okay. Alright, now Chanix, will you dump it for me?
Delicious.
Hold on.
It's delicious.
It's really messy. It's slimy. You can dump it. Well, don't wipe it on me.
I gotta hold this.
Just pull it straight out. There you go.
Oh, you not like this?
I like it.
Oh, you like it?
It has a plate of soap.
Okay.
I was just joking.
Mommy's gonna try to make a little thin, like cookie bars. How's that
Cookie
sound?
bars.
We're making chocolate chip cookie bars.
Cookie bars. Cookie
Okay,
bars.
can we get white for your hand?
Cookie bars. Cookie bars. Cookie bars.
Okay.
In the end, this he was twirling down with colors, with healthiness, by all around.
Great job.
This is the end of the video, and don't forget to make sure to like and subscribe.
And
And
tell them the temperature
the temperature
of the oven
of oven
is how many degrees?
is 350.
350 degrees.
It's 350 degrees. And this is the end of the video, so I'll subscribe to Mom's channel. I love you, everyone, boys and girls, and men and women, and babies and toddlers and big boys and adults and teenagers and old men and old girls. Here come the grannies! It's a neat casing. And I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. To Mommy's channel. See you in the next video.
Tell me, what do you rate it?
I waited 5 billion 5 stars.
How do you rate it?
Bill and God.